Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can sync your videos to an audio on TikTok. It is actually pretty simple. You're just going to choose the clips that you want for the video, and then you are going to press next. After that, as you can see, it automatically syncs a song by just clicking on the sound sync audio, and then you can also adjust clips here and then press auto sync. You can also reorder it again, and then it'll automatically sync again, and then you're just going to press done. And once you're happy with the chosen sound, you're going to press next, and you're just going to post it. And that is basically it. Super simple, but I do hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!